All right, I'm gonna do 2 volume videos, one of a rectangular pyramid and one is a triangular pyramid. So let's take a look at the one that's really easy. This is a rectangular pyramid. I know it is because the base of it is 38 by 24, so that's a rectangle. So all I'm gonna do is take the base dimensions and multiply them. So that's your base area. And then I'm gonna multiply it times the height, well, in this case is 40. And because it is a pointy object, a pointy prism, we're gonna divide that by 3. So we're just gonna take 38, we're gonna plug those numbers in. 38 times 24 times the height of 40, and then we're gonna take all of that and divide it by 3. That was a terrible line. 38 times 24 times 40. If I could type this morning, it'd be great. There's all my answers. So we got 36,480. And then we're gonna take that answer, we're gonna divide it by 3, and that would be my 1/3 of the volume of it. And that is 12,160. And so that is my volume in inches cubed for this pyramid. And now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna look at this next one. I've already put the formula in here. Our base area is a triangle. Base times height divided by 2. That's the area of a triangle base. Then we're going to multiply it times its height, 17 in this case. And then we're going to divide that by 3. You're always looking for, when you're looking for the dimensions for your triangle, you're looking for the height from the tippity top of the triangle to the bottom. You're always looking for that right angle symbol. So that helps you with the height, which is 10 in this triangle, and the base, which is 12 in this triangle. So we're going to plug in 10 times 12 and then divide that by 2 because that's your base area. And then we're going to take the height of it, which is 17. Again, that's a right angle. You see that right angle symbol there? That is telling me the height. And then we're going to divide all of this by 3. So starting off 10 times 12, which we should be able to do in our head, 120. Cut that in half, and that's going to be 60. So we have 120 divided by 2 times 14 divided by 3. So 60, I'm gonna put this over here. 60 times 14, and then we're gonna divide that by 3. 60 times 14, 840 divided by 3 is that. And so our finalized answer is 280, talking about inches cubed in this case. And that is my volume. If you want more questions like these, find them on my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at You Want Algebra. All of these ones are going to be found in the volume playlist. Don't forget to like, share, follow me for more.